A'udzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. As you all know that New Year is about to begin, so the question is, how should we celebrate New Year? Or what should we do at the beginning of the New Year? So before going to the start of the New Year, you have to think what should you do on the New Year Eve or in the last days of this year. First off, you have to make your report of deeds look better before angels present it to your Lord. So in order to do that, the best thing is to ask for forgiveness from your Lord or do some good acts like reciting Quran or offering prayers and ask for forgiveness with the commitment that you won't repeat those sins again in the new year. If you have committed any sin intentionally or unintentionally, you should ask forgiveness for both the things with the commitment. That is very important that you won't repeat those sins anymore. So instead of partying on the New Year Eve, you should ask forgiveness from your Lord. Now, what to do at the beginning of the New Year? So you should always start your New Year with offering 5 times prayer a day because many people don't do that. They don't offer their obligatory prayers. So start your New Year with a commitment that you will pray 5 times. You will recite Quran per day, just one page. So offering obligatory prayers should be your priority because before doing something extra, you have to perform your obligatory acts. Then after that, you have to start your new year with a commitment that you will stay away from the haram things and will do all the halal. It's as simple as that. You just have to make a pledge to your Lord that you will not do anything haram and stay away from the forbidden things. Because if you stay away from the forbidden things, you automatically will do good things. And all your work that you do in a day would be for Allah. But if you continue to do bad things and good things, then your reward will be very less. But by staying away from one bad thing, from one forbidden act, you will grow more spiritually. You will have more control on yourself, on your nafs, and that's what Allah wants from you. He wants you to control your nafs. So after performing obligatory acts, you have to stay away from the forbidden things like music, watching unnecessary stuff, talking to non-mahrams unnecessarily. By leaving these things, you will become more closer to your Lord and to your religion. And this will benefit you a lot in this world. You have to build that trust on Allah. That when He says that if you follow my path, then you will never face defeat in any field, and Allah will always shower blessings upon you. So I will conclude it here that it's very simple. You have to perform obligatory acts and you have to stay from forbidden things. And you can perform another extra acts like some specific prayers or du'as. But the must thing you have to do is these two things: obligatory acts and staying away from forbidden things. And inshallah, your new year will be so much of blessings.